All right. Swimwear fits problem. How can I flatten my midsection? More so have a tummy control. That's a great question. It's definitely a common one. I think my team definitely looked to see what was the common pattern, the trends, but stylist solutions. So I am more strategic about concealing and camouflaging. So first I would identify what is your body shape. You're not in front of me. I don't know what your body shape is. I'm not gonna imagine it. I'm not gonna imagine it. But to kind of just sum it up, I would go for something that is draping. I like drapes. A nice effect where it's like kind of just draping, so it's giving like the illusion that it is actually the fabric or the draping effect instead of your stomach protruding over. I know if you probably Google it, you'll probably see something else, but I really like the draping effect. I know a lot of pregnant women do that. Instead of going for the tight route, you can go for the draping type of effect. And also, if you are into, I don't know what your budget is, but there are the brands who really invest in lining that has mesh and really just tuck it, just tucks your stomach in. It just makes it just, just suck it in. You know what I'm saying? It's just tight. Kind of like a corset or like a shapewear type of feel. Those are for like the high quality brands that really you're really paying the bang for the buck. I know, let me see if I got this. Yeah, I do. So I was cleaning one of my clients' closets out, and she bought some swimwear. So I do have some examples back here. You guys can't see it because you see this picture, but um, one of the tags it says, does it say it? No, this one doesn't have it. One of the tags said tummy control, but it looked just like this. And it really wasn't tummy control. So for those who really want to take the time out to invest in your style and take your style more seriously, I did state this in the beginning. If you are not the girl to do that, then you might as well just keep it moving. You need to try your stuff on. Try your stuff on and see if it says it is, because otherwise a lot of people and brand will just slap on just words so people can buy. They just see buzzwords, they tug on your emotions so that you can just buy. All right, so that is a great question. I hope this was helpful.